Ho! Welcome, friends! A tale of tales and feathers awaits you. Ready your pencils and your giggles. The adventure starts now. Hello, everyone! Before you begin today's creative challenge, be sure to click on the link below to get the activity sheets that helps you complete this challenge.
Whoopee!
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Tower of the Creativity Castle. I'm Sauerpuss, the creative cat, and I'm so excited to hear another magical adventure. In the Creativity Castle, imagination knows no bounds. It's always fun to be creative and embark on a new creative journey together. Before we begin, I would like to introduce you to some of my pals. This is Penny and the Pencils.
Hi, Sourpuss!
Penny and her pals are always here cheering me on. So, if you're ready, let's begin.
Let's go!
And now, it's time for our creativity challenge.
Oh boy, what fun!
Today's creative challenge is a creative art exercise. In today's creative challenge, I am going to share with you a short story about Cloud the Corgi, a brave corgi with a heart full of courage who lives on Emma's farm. The adventure starts now. Cloud the Corgi's Chicken Adventures. Once upon a time, there lived a fluffy corgi named Cloud. With his bright, curious eyes and a fluffy white chest, soft like a cloud, he was loved by everyone. Cloud lived on Emma's farm, where he had a very important job. Emma's farm was home to many chickens, each with their own colors and personalities. There were speckled ones, the fluffy ones, and even ones that laid blue eggs. Cloud loved to play with the chickens, and he had a special superpower. He could herd them safely around the farm. Whenever the chickens wandered too far, Cloud would bark happily, and they would follow him like a fluffy parade. With a swag of his tail, he guided them back to their cozy coop, making sure they were always safe and sound. One sunny afternoon, while Cloud was playing with the chickens, a shadow passed over them. It was the old hawk swooping down from the sky. The chickens clucked nervously, and Cloud knew he had to act fast. With a determined look in his eyes, Cloud barked loudly, "Chickens, follow me!" He led them into a nearby barn, where they could hide until the hawk flew away. Cloud stood guard at the entrance, ready to protect his feathered friends. Just when Cloud thought it was safe, he spotted the sly fox sneaking around the barn. The fox was looking for a tasty chicken snack. Cloud's heart raced, but he knew he had to be brave. Thinking quickly, Cloud devised a plan. He grabbed a shiny red ball from the barn and rolled it away from the chickens. The fox, curious about the bright color, chased after it, giving Cloud the chance to lead the chickens to safety. With the fox distracted, Cloud called out, "Let's go, chickens!" They all followed him in a happy parade back to the coop, clucking and flapping their wings in excitement. Cloud felt proud of his cleverness. After the excitement, Cloud and the chickens enjoyed a lovely day playing games in the sun. They played tag, and Cloud showed off his herding skills, making sure none of the chickens wandered too far. As the sun began to set, Emma came out to the farm. She smiled at Cloud, and the chickens sang, "Thank you, Cloud. for keeping everyone safe today. Cloud wagged his tail, happy to be a hero. That night, as Cloud snuggled in his cozy bed, he dreamed of more adventures. He imagined flying high in the sky, chasing away all the dangers that could threaten his friends. He knew he would always be there to protect them. The next morning, Cloud woke up with a big yawn, ready for another day on the farm. With his fluffy fur and brave heart, he was excited to see what adventures awaited him and his chicken friends. Together, they would face anything that came their way. The end. Ho-ho! Thanks so much for joining Cloud the Corgi on his exciting chicken adventures today.
Yes, Sourpuss!
I've got a super fun creative challenge surprise just for you. It's a free digital download that lets you draw clouds yourself.
That's super, Sourpuss!
You can download your free Cloud the Corgi Chicken Adventures activity pack. Just ask a parent to help you download and print it. Inside, you'll learn how to draw a cloud, play a chicken matching game, and enjoy some awesome coloring pages. Click the link in the description below to get started and have fun creating your own Cloud the Corgi adventures.
Super cool!
I sure hope you've enjoyed today's creative challenge. Oh boy, that was sure fun.
Way to go!
Oh,
that was so
see you
cool.
next time, and remember to
Be creative!
Ho-ho!
I love to be creative. I love to draw and play. I love to paint. I love to sketch and color every day. I love to be creative. Imagine and pretend. When I play and draw with Sauerpuss and Friends.
That's me. Be sure to subscribe to this channel so you'll be ready for our next creative challenge.
Whoopee! Join us next time at Sauerpuss and Friends!